once again to Mama Naija's Kitchen, a home filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Guys, you are in for a spectacular treat today. Once never seen before. Yes, a fruit cake decor for birthdays or any occasion. Guys, all edible fruits, succulent, delicious, refreshing, oh nature goodness. Guys, are you tired of some sugar? If you are like me, if you are like me, whenever I use a traditional birthday cake, no one is eating it, guys. Everybody is watching their video. So, tune in on the healthy alternative. On the healthy alternative, it is all fruits, guys. Water calories, okay? Water calories. What does that mean? Watermelon is all water, guys. The benefit will be the nutrients and the refreshment. Further, not to retain, no fat to burn. Nothing is going to be hanging on your hips, your tummy, or extra foods. Guys, I don't need to go further. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The guilt trip when you eat that cake. Here, guys, there is no guilt trip at all. It is all loving, delicious and refreshing to the end. So guys, this is a new product at Mama Naija's Kitchen. Birthday cakes, wedding cakes, occasion cakes, whatever occasion you deserve or you choose. Mama Naija will hook you up with a designer statement piece of art that is a pleasure, a delight to look and desired to be eaten. So guys, enjoy the show. And in your next party, in your next event, think about having a fruit cake. Enjoy, guys.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't want
Guys, you are all welcome once again to Mama Naija's Kitchen. If this is your first time coming in, welcome, welcome with so much love. Please consider joining this amazing, adventurous family. And to my ardent supporters, my subscribers, and faithful viewers, thank you all so much. Deep down, love for each and every one of you guys. Guys, thank you for continuing to watch my videos. Thank you for the love that you show when you hit that thumbs up button, when you hit that like button. Thank you. It's a way of showing me your love, guys. And also sharing the videos. Sharing the videos so others will be privileged to enjoy what you are enjoying right now. So guys, and if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Mama Naija's Kitchen is amazing adventure galore, guys. Everyday adventure. There is never a dull moment. I promise you that. That you can take to the bank. Never a dull moment. So guys, do you know that this cake can be scaled up or down? We can make it larger or smaller or even bigger or taller, depending on whatever event you want, guys. It could be used for weddings, anniversary, oh yeah, graduations, birthday, or even just get together. So many things, baby showers, oh yeah. The theme can be changed to suit your specific event. So guys, it is unlimited options. So when you are planning for your next event, think about fruit cake from Mama Naija's Kitchen. Guys, I just want to thank you. You have been amazing supporters of Mama Naija's Kitchen. I love you all, guys. Please watch to the end.